Hello everyone, welcome in Idea Cafe. Today I am going to show you how we install the Python in Macbook. So first of all, what we need to do, just go to Chrome browser and just search on Google Python. When you type Python, it will open the site. Just click on that Python site, and here we just need to click on download. When you just scroll on download, it will show the version of the Python which we can use, we can use in install in Macbook, and it will show the latest version which will support the Macbook. So for that, what we need to just click on Python 3.1, and it will, when you click on that Python 3.11.3 version, it will install in our local system. And after that, we just need to click on here installed package, and it will start by continue, and we just need to do continue, and it will installed. It will showing that because that software I'm already have, so I'm not going to install in my system. So that how we can install that Python. And after that, for check the Python, what we need to go, just we need to go back, our terminal, and try to write Python 3 and hyphen version. So see, when you write the Python 3 hyphen version, it will show the current version which we installed through the package. So that how we can install the Python. If you like that my video, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you everyone.